ENT on the beat.
The love, y'all ready?
Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it.
The love that I have for battle rap has been decreasing. People get mad over opinions, too many egos, and a couple other reasons. It's becoming less of my passion and more of a hobby, but the mission is still the same with every battle, and that's catching a body. So it's popping, Slime. This is a Ball movie on DVD. Because this round is action-packed. Either it's 4-bar setups or I'm punching back-to-back. I came with my lines intact and I'm ready to snap. Dog, I never won an Oscar. I don't know how to act. So I came for body of the night. Because y'all still thinking Bishop or Rook. So I came with the right recipe to make sure it get cooked. And I told my bros, I was thinking about battling you. They said, why would you do that? That's not a good look. Corinne Steffens. Niggas knew you sucked way before it was booked. So let's go! Let's go! This is such a shame. You fucking lame 100 rounds in the drum. I don't have to aim. Think it's a game till I buck 50 and let round spin on his chest like the G when it changed. See? Think it's a game till you buck 50 and let round spin on his chest like the G when it changed. You don't have to act. Just know I'm strapped. You from NRBL, right? Fuck around and get clapped. You from NRBL, right? Fuck around and get clapped. Bullets with the round top. So you should be used to seeing a bald head cap.
Let's go! Let's go!
And niggas try to tell me I'm not a threat because I don't perform. Man. Niggas try to tell me I'm not a threat because I don't perform. I'm tired of hearing that. I ain't gotta dance on stage to be Aristocats, Hawk Blade. I ain't gotta dance on stage to be Aristocats, Hawk Blade, Desert Eagle. I ain't worrying about no nigga, 2 birds in a backpack. I'm a fucking dope dealer. I'm a fucking dope dealer. Listen, nigga, there is no way you gonna pull off a win. You getting put behind bars because you can't fuck with the pen. Tonight, I'm gonna say some things that you're not gonna like. And I don't care how you take it. Nigga, we not friends. My disrespect is in vain. That means I'm trying to get under your skin. But let this nigga try me, and the heat gon' blast. All he see is the snub pot, like Ria's dad. Let's go. Ria's dad. And my niggas riding with me. Strap. You find him, it's over for this boy. We coming with a whole bunch of trays. Bitch, it's a smorgasbord. We coming with a whole bunch of trays. It's a smorgasbord. And just know that I'm aiming at you when I'm shot fly. So if you think I clap in the air, you must be hot 5. If you think I clap in the air, you must be hot 5. When I squeeze cans over the green, I pop eyes. Face shot. So when I squeeze cans over the green, I pop eyes. Backpack, 2 straps, I pull it. I'm backpack, 2 straps, a parachute. It's not a skydive. So, come on. Just know, everything you said was pretty fucking basic. See, I knows you cheats. I'm just here for you to face it. Let's go. I grip the toolie. And bust back if you try to shoot me, think it's a game, but I'm all about gunplay. That's Call of Duty. Oh my God.
Let's go.
Black Call of Duty, nigga.
Think it's a game, but I'm all about gunplay. That's Call of Duty. See, I keep this up with me. I stay close to the tool. I'm molded for this. So there's only right Slime to get the ooze. And if you think I came to lose, then you got me confused.
That was fire.
Yeah, right. Since you up here, spend trash and liquor lane, you been added to the list. I'm kicking ass and taking names.
ENT on the beat.
It's on you, big bro.
They say a scary nigga will pull a trigger faster than the realest nigga.
Yes.
So where do that lie you? I'm 5'11", but the strap is about 5'2". You with your bitch? Nigga! You with your bitch? Well, her ass can ride too. Uber ride for the trip. Here's a magazine you can vibe to now.
Let's go.
Niggas know I be lighting that lead. I come to your house at your family, guy, like Peter Griffin. Yeah, my dog is at the foot of your bread. To the chest, like you saying a pledge. If you make one wrong move, then your wifey is dead, but I know backpacker shit. Well, y'all niggas is all soft, so my niggas get it jumping in your city like it's park call. When you see me walking with the funny limp, it's cause I got the Marsburg, and it's the game sock and bop 'em. You know the old toy. Cause the metal is made to punch through a chest and knock the top off.
What? Nigga! Nigga!
I said I intend though to bring a dog when I'm duck hunting.
Nigga!
I intend though to bring a dog when I'm duck hunting. Chewing tobacco. I'll snuff something. I said, aren't you aware I will crush something? Well, come check you like Russell Simmons. 2 days, ready to rush something, but Rio hit my line. Rio hit my line like, yo, Slime, I got a play for you. I said, who? He said, Bishop. I said, wow. Well, fuck you, JG Wentworth. Cause when it sing from the bus, I want my money and I need it now. I said, wow. Damn. I said, well, it's JG Wentworth. Cause I want my, when it sing from the bus, I want my money and I need it now. Thing tuck, sling from the gut. I'm King Tuck. I wrap you on the ground, basically Chick-fil-A. How come at this chicken with a cow? It's different. Cause you talking to a nigga that live in drama, do wrong for the right reasons. I live in karma, like clapping a nigga at that gas station, then watching a nigga kill my partner. That's why I swing with the iron every day, like Arnold Palmer. But fuck it, hammer pop. I'm ready to fix something, headshot. I'm ready to pick something. Matter of fact, my name Prince, but I will Smith some. Come right up on you in style. Ready to lift something. What's good, nigga? But fuck it. Let's talk about the potato on a barrel. It ain't making a sound. D-E. Co-N. It's just breaking them down. Think apostrophe. I don't be on top of my word. I don't be writing it down. Well, think Gambit. Put my card in a metal stick coming out of the gown. I'm Big Bang. Said Big Bang. You to think that I dropped the boulder overall? I said Big Bang. You to think that I dropped the boulder overall? It's in my jeans to stay strapped to the shoulder. Ying, ying. It's a weed eater. This stick got a motor. Look at them. They're pissed. Well, let me sit down, bring your thoughts real closer. But therapist. God,
nigga. Oh, he's
Say something.
Fuck these guns. We could get it popping with 2 hands. You got a lot of fruits in your circle. So it's only right I bust these 2 cans. Matter of fact,
I was kind of tired.
I said in the lens, you see, it's in a low hand. This would knock Sylvester alone. You trying to play Conan. I told you, you should have did and do what you do, but you want to play courage, dog, and catch a hole in your tooth.
TNT on the